Oh yes, wonderful people of our country, my brothers and sisters, our fans, friends, families, and all the people watching us. As you can see, we've just exercised a little of wonderful music that is coming your way soon. On the 1st of January 2019, what did I say? On the 1st of January 2019. Ogadi egu, ogadi popo, ogadi shelele, ogadi pipi, ogadi chacha, and ogadi rie, di patata, di baba, di ngongo, di lolo. Yes, it is happening live at St. Teresa's Catholic Church, Mbato Parish, in Kedina, Isu local government area, Imo State. Kiju hana ajuje ekwe. Ina na lekwe kwa ogu kekwe. That day give the lele me kwa kumadu kekwe kwa madu kekwe. Epada kumadu kekwe. Rather, if you come there that very day, ekwe will bless you. And not only ekwe, God Almighty who owns ekwe, will bless you all. I choroko no biano nyerai on the 1st of January 2019. Iga abia. Rani pro negas. Chetekwa hegwa. Chukwu megini. Yeah, we walk a bit here and Maggie. Ogo no more Brambalin. Yeah, but because she had a lot to enjoy from this music.
I want you from Neginanya. Follow audio camp on 1st of January 2019. Kindly support Chief Imo. I want you Neginanya. Come and pick a copy for your mother.
He say,
even though also only as such I am, I'm so top here. On the 1st of January 2019, now St. Teresa's Catholic Church, Alekwe, Eban gonna bottle, Eban Giga, Greg, Eguame, and I brought on gun.
Yeah, one brought to I know.
One of yesterday and me, I can't a jam on your lap. I put on you great. Then no young 1 night working. Jim Rakoma. Jim Rakoma. The social media. How would you get a hand? I need to no conga. So what I'm going to all name on the Neganaya. But I'll put you. May hold there. No, my dear, yeah.
It shall be copper neg. Korean motor property about Jack Cameron will be on. I think that your my mother, Cobian will be on Mogadam will be Baba. When I was near Brambali Hananga that I would have therapy. We are all BP therapists. I am related to BP. I happy with BP. So,
it's a BP.
As soon as I have a warm,
I think I will that BP.
Actually,
I'm here to
GP. Let me go. There will not.